student project, I must say, is really very, very good and interesting. They really make the use case come to life, very applicable, using what they have learned to really solve the real world problems that we see day to day.
I think the symposium gives a very good platform for the students to showcase not only technical projects, but also the creativity and the idea behind them, which is quite rare in an academic setting.
First of all, you're seeing solutions that are being deployed in other industries, and those are things that you can definitely draw from and utilize in your own industry. Secondly, you are seeing what best practices may be within your own industry, and it helps keep you abreast of where technology is actually going.
Biggest problem or the biggest challenge for me was learning that building effective AI solutions is not just about technical capabilities, but it's also about making sure that we are tackling real world metrics and considering human factor as well.
I think the most valuable learning experience for me was learning that in the real world things can be much more complicated and different from what we learn in the classroom, and being able to apply my skills to real world situations as well as real world business needs.
NUS MSBA has been helping me in starting up my business. First one is about the curriculums of the different business analytics modules I've been learning, as well as the great network I've been building here. There are so many conversations I had with alumni and professors who inspire me on what kind of solutions is required for us to bring forward analytics to the industry.
Well, I think it is a very unique program, I think, from NUS. It's academia and the industry coming together. This program actually makes the industry have a view into the talents that the university can produce.
I think NUS BAC program is a very well managed. Has been there for a long time. We being one of the corporation has been able to enjoy this privilege to be here, allow us to know everyone, collaborate and work together.
I think what makes BAC special is its ability to bring both industry and academia together. If you look at each project here, they both have an industry supervisor and also an academic supervisor. And this ensures that the project is academically grounded, it's rigorous, while at the same time, it's not just a theoretical project which is only for the books, but it is also relevant to the industry and actually addresses a problem that is current and real world.